Can you imagine what would have happened if Einstein had been born a woman? We probably wouldn't know who Einstein is today, because the merits of those discoveries would have been taken by a fellow male researcher. This phenomenon, known as the Matilda effect in honor of Matilda Jocelyn Gage, who was the first activist to denounce it, highlights the injustice of systematically ignoring the findings of brilliant women scientists throughout history. Women who fell into oblivion and could not become role models for all those girls whom we have made believe that science is only for men. This is logical if we consider that the female presence in educational materials barely reaches 7.6%, a statistic that perpetuates stereotypes and probably explains why only 28.5% of students that enroll in science degrees are women. This is why we're launching No More Matildas, a movement to bring all these female scientists back where they belong, starting, why not, with textbooks. Because talent has no gender, and to ignore the one that could emerge in young girls who don't choose a science degree because they don't have mirrors in which to see themselves reflected is a cultural legacy that we should stop perpetuating. Join us, share, and help us inspire girls to know that if they want, they can. No More Matildas.